Well, it's me, the morning gardener. Hope you can see me. I'm in here today messing around in the garden, messing with everything really. I'm getting ready to plant my corn. I'm gonna show videos of that. Let me show you something here. My boy's in here getting down on my blueberries. Blueberries here. My boy's here. That's my boys. Just hanging out, chilling like villains next to my blueberries. Just chilling. The birds are right above, waiting on food to eat, which is some of them being the locusts. Look at them. Just chilling. It's about 67 degrees a day. Beautiful temperatures to work in the garden here in Maryland. This is the morning gardener. I'm having fun. I got a lot I got to do in this yard. A lot of trees got to be topped off and brought down. Because this tree here is over 20 some feet tall. And it's a dwarf. But I got that chainsaw. It'll do the job. But I'll be back. This is the morning gardener. Take care. I'm gonna plot over here. I'm getting ready to put my watermelons in. Got them in the house growing. Yep.